Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to make an order on Shein. Firstly, you need to open Shein on your device, and then I need to select the item I want to purchase. For example, I want to order these shorts. I need to open the item's details by clicking on the item, and here I need to click Add to Cart button. Here I need to choose this style of these shorts, such as color and size, and click and then when you're done selecting the size and color, click Add to Cart. Then we want to go back, and we need to enter our cart in the bottom side of the screen. And here is my cart. So I have some other items right here, but if I want to order just one specific item, I need to mark only one product. When you selected the items you want to purchase, you need to click Checkout button. Then you need to add a shipping address if you haven't added it yet. Just click Add Shipping Address. And here you need to fulfill all the information, including your country, your first name and last name, your phone number, and here eventually your address. And then click Save button. Then I want to choose the shipping method. It's standard or express. Express delivery usually comes a little bit faster than the standard shipping. But you need to note that express shipping is being for additional cost. Then I want to select the payment method. I can select PayPal, credit card, Buy Now, Pay Later, Apple Pay, Cash App Pay, or Venmo. Then if I have any coupons, I can apply them here by clicking on coupons, and here you can see the list of your coupons, but if you don't have any, you just don't stack any coupon. Then you can use your points. You can type the amount of points you want to use. For example, if I have 145, I can use 20 points, for example, and I have discount. And then if I have a gift card, also I can apply it right here. Then you need to check all the details so that they are all correct, and then you click Continue button, and then follow all the steps to proceed the payment. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.